Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome once again to Israel Creative Hub. And in this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about getting tokens from our website easily and with hitch free. So it's going to be a very easy process, and I'm going to show you all in this video. So first of all, this is what you are going to do. I'm going to drop the link in the video description. If you are watching this on YouTube, I'm dropping this in the comment section, in the video description too. And if you are getting this from our WhatsApp channel, to check the link attached to this video, you are going to see the link of our portal too. But if for peradventure you don't get any of this, either on Facebook, TikTok or wherever, this is what you are going to do. You are going to click or just do this is the link, israelcreativehub.com.ng/NECO portal. So that's the link to the site, and this is exactly how you can do it. So immediately you get to this site, as a new user, it will show you this. So I'm going to clear off my details. So it's going to show you this, like if as a new user, if you are new to this our website, it's going to show you exactly this. I should log into your account. It's not directing you immediately to the portal, so it's going to show you this. So if you already have an account, if you have signed up here, just put your email address and the password you used to create an account. If you don't have one, you click on what, sign up, and it's going to direct you here so you can fill in your details. So first of all, put your first name, your last name, then you are going to put what, your email address next, your phone number, then you put your password and click on what, sign up. If you have done that process, then it will direct you to our website. But if you follow this register, it will redirect you to our website, but I will show you how it redirects. But since I already have an account, I'm just going to what, log in. So immediately you log in, it will direct you to our website like this. It's just going to direct you here. Don't mind the way the phone looks, but this is exactly how you are going to see. So this is my name that I used to sign up. So as you sign up, it's going to show you this first notification, NECO token updates. As a registered user, you get priority access to NECO tokens. Purchase now and get instant what, delivery. You are going to click on this button, get your NECO tokens. So as you click on that, it's just going to redirect you here. You don't need to sign up again or do anything because you've created an account already. So as you get to this place, it's going to be an easy process. We are working on this other part so you can check your results here, but we want to work with NECO policy too, you get. So that's why we are working on that too. Then working on this transaction history. So a lot of stores are still under development in this website, but you can easily make payments and access your tokens from the website. All you need to do, click on from the purchase tokens here, just check it like what I'm hovering on, click on buy now. Then this is the section where you select the number of tokens you want to buy, and each token costs 2,000 naira. Each token costs 2,000 naira on the website. So if you want to add to this, you can easily put maybe 2, or if you want to remove from this, you can add to this. You click the plus button for the number of tokens you want to buy. So if I want to buy 4, 5, 6 or 8, I'm going to just buy 1 here to show you how it works. And for each token costs 2,000 naira, like what I said. After you have selected this, click on this button, pay 2,000 naira. This 2,000 naira .00 kobo. So you just click on pay 2,000 naira there. Then you wait for it to load. So now this is exactly how it works. There are different payment methods over here. If you have your card, your ATM, and note all your payments are secured, you get, all your payments are secured. You can pay with what? You can pay with your card, or you click on change payment method. You can use any other method here. You can use your transfer. You can pay with transfer. You can pay with bank. You can pay with USSD, with pay attitude, or you pay with OP. If you have an OP account, you just click on pay with OP over here. But now I'm going to pay with transfer. I'm going to pay with what transfer. So just follow me. So you click on pay with a transfer. Then it's going to generate a temporary account for you. What is this temporary account for? This account is mainly for only these payments. Don't use this account to pay any other thing. just use it within the stipulated time, and the account expires in 30 minutes. The time is counting now. So all you need to do, you minimize here, go over to your app, your bank app. If you want to pay with transfer, there are other methods there. If you want to pay with transfer there, you just do this, and you click on, once you have finished payment, you click on I've sent the money. So I'm going to follow all the process now and come back to the video after I've made payment, so it doesn't disrupt anything. I'll come back after I've made payment and I'll show you exactly where you'll be redirected to after payment. So any other thing we don't need to do, but let me just show you other payment methods. First of all, you can click on change payment method. If you want to pay with bank, there are different banks over here you can choose from, but not all banks are available here. But the most recommended for me, that is easy, you recommended for me, either you pay with card or you pay with transfer. But if you decide to pay with OP too, it will just direct you to your OP app to pay over here. So it depends on the one you are convenient with, and all payment methods are functioning properly. And if you have complaints, you can easily what, ask questions, or there's a contact there, drop questions to the comment section, or you message us on WhatsApp. The link and everything is also on our website, or whichever of our social media platforms. You can ask questions there, and we are going to reply you either by email. But if you want to message us by email, you can just message us at, or email us at support@israelcreativehub.com.ng. So I'm going to pay with transfer here and come back to this and show you exactly everything, how it's going to be, and your receipt. So let's do that now. Okay, now we have completed the aspect of what we have done, the aspect of the payment. I'm going to cover out some details here. So your receipt is going to be something like this. It's going to be something like this. So I'm just going to cover a lot of stuff. You have a reference number, and it will be something like this. Then this is exactly what you are going to do. You just click on get token on WhatsApp. But even if you don't click on get token on WhatsApp, your details are automatically stored, and you're going to get your token in your email in a few minutes. You're going to get it on your email. But for faster response, or whichever one you prefer, you can click on get token on WhatsApp. You can also download your receipt too. Click on download receipt. Your receipt will be downloaded to your phone storage, and you can see it and access it. You can also bring it as confirmation in case you encounter any issues in payment or whatever. Though it's not going to be there, but in case of anything, our support is always there. You can support. Click on this this email us there. Then you can buy more tokens over here from this place. It will direct you back to the place. Then get token on WhatsApp, like I've explained. So if you have any other questions, endeavor to drop it in the comment section, and we are going to be awaiting you. Mind you, NECO, today is the 10th of the 10th of September 2025. So as at this time, I don't know the NECO results are not out for 2025. This is 2025. For those of you who may watch this video later, years later on in the future, this is just for 2025 I'm talking about. But once the results comes out, you can check it, and you need this NECO token to be able to check your results. So thank you very much for watching up to this point. The link is in the comment section. So purchase your tokens now and be prepared. Be rest assured that we are giving you legit tokens, and do well to refer friends to us. See you in further videos.